Put baking soda on your nails and watch what happens. The result will surprise you. Use this incredible ingredient for the treatment and prevention of many health problems, such as diarrhea, heartburn, drug toxicity, metabolic acidosis and peptic ulcer. Sodium bicarbonate has many properties to combat itching and gives shine to the skin and keeps it healthy. As we have already mentioned, you can use baking soda for a long list of things. Then we show you. 1. On the nails. If you put baking soda on your nails, you will not break so easily and you will have a lot more shine. 2. For muscle pain. After strenuous exercise, drink baking soda diluted in a glass of water. 3. To destroy fungus on the nails and remove dirt. Apply a little baking soda on a nail brush and rub your nails. 4. If your feet have itching, bad odor and pain. Mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, mint essential oil in a small amount of water and soak for 20 minutes. 5. To refresh the breath. Gurgle a little baking soda. 6. If you want a quick and natural way to whiten your teeth, apply some baking soda on your toothbrush and brush your teeth with it. 7. It is also excellent against acne, dead skin and excess facial fat. Make a homemade scrub by mixing a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of water and then rubbing the face. 8. Sodium bicarbonate can relieve insect bites, bee stings, sumac itch, oak and poison ivy. Mix baking soda and water, which is an excellent paste for pitting. Prepare a paste of water and baking soda for the purpose of oral herpes and lesion ulcers. It dries fast.